Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Money with Peter. Trust you are doing great. Today, are looking at how to get your videos recommended by YouTube algorithm. This is essential because getting YouTube to recommend your videos is one of the most effective ways to grow your channel and increase your viewership. With over 2 billion active users, YouTube's algorithm plays a crucial role in deciding which videos to promote and suggest to viewers. While creating great content is essential, it's not enough on its own to ensure that your videos get the exposure they deserve. You need to understand how YouTube's recommendation system works and how to optimize your videos for better visibility. In this guide, we'll walk you through proven strategies and techniques to help YouTube recommend your videos, boost engagement, and grow your channel. From optimizing your titles and thumbnails to mastering SEO and audience engagement, we'll cover everything you need to know to succeed. The first thing to do is create high-quality content that engages viewers. Watch time. YouTube prioritizes videos that keep viewers engaged. Because of this, you should focus on increasing your overall watch time. Say, longer videos, that is 10 to 20 minutes, often perform better as they allow for more ads and more engagement. But however, they should still maintain viewer interest. The next point is to create high-quality content that increases audience retention. Ensure that people watch your videos from start to finish. A high audience retention rate, about 80%, increases your chances of being recommended. Structure your content to hook viewers early, such as with a captivating intro or a promise of valuable content. You should also use engaging hooks. Start your video with an engaging hook that grabs attention in the first 5-10 seconds. Tease what's coming up, pose a question, or offer a quick solution to a common problem. Your videos should be in form of storytelling. Craft your videos as stories. Even educational or how-to videos benefit from having a structure that leads viewers through an engaging narrative. Another important point is to optimize for SEO, that is, search engine optimization. Use keywords in titles. Use clear and relevant keywords in your video titles. YouTube relies heavily on keywords to determine what the video is about. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help you find trending keywords within your niche. Video descriptions is equally important. Write detailed descriptions using target keywords naturally. Include relevant keywords that describe the video's content, as well as potential questions viewers may have. Aim for 200 to 300 words in your descriptions. Furthermore, do not forget to add tags. Use a mix of general and specific tags. General tags help YouTube understand the category of your content, e.g., how to edit audio, while specific tags help the algorithm pair your video with others in your niche. Hashtags should not be neglected. Include 1 to 3 relevant hashtags in your video description for discoverability. These should align with trending topics or relevant niches. Closed captions is good as well. Adding accurate captions enhances accessibility and boosts SEO. YouTube uses captions to help understand the content of your video better, which improves ranking. Another important point is thumbnails and titles that attract clicks. Use clickable thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, so they should be visually appealing and relevant to your content. Use contrasting colors, bold text, and clear imagery to make them stand out. Avoid too much text and focus on evoking curiosity or excitement. You can copy and tweak your competitors' thumbnails for better clicks. Using compelling titles is great to grab attention. Your title should provoke curiosity or offer value. Phrasing like "how to" or "the best way to" often works well. However, avoid clickbait. Your title should reflect the actual content of the video to maintain credibility and viewer trust. The next important point is encourage viewer interaction calls to action, CTA. Ask viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe at key moments in the video. YouTube takes viewer interaction into account when recommending videos. The more interaction your video gets, the more likely it is to be recommended. Always engage your viewers in comments. Reply to comments on your videos to create a sense of community. More comments and discussions around your content signal to YouTube that viewers are engaged. Also use end screens and cards. Use YouTube end screens and cards to keep viewers on your channel by linking to related videos. The longer viewers stay on your content or channel, the better for your recommendations. Another point is increasing your click-through rate, CTR. Monitor CTR. Click-through rate refers to how often viewers click on your video after seeing it in search results or recommendations. A higher CTR indicates that your video is appealing to your audience. A/B testing thumbnails. Test different thumbnails to see which ones get the best results. You can do this using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, which allow you to test multiple thumbnails and analyze performance. Furthermore, the next point is consistency and frequency of uploads. Always have regular upload schedule. The more content you produce, the more opportunities you have for YouTube to recommend your videos. Consistency matters. Aim for at least 1 to 2 videos per week. A consistent upload schedule encourages viewers to return to your channel and subscribe. Leverage series or playlists cannot be overemphasized. Create video series or playlists to keep viewers watching multiple videos back to back. Playlists can boost watch time as they autoplay videos from your channel, making it easier to keep viewers engaged for longer periods. Now this point is very important. It is analyzing audience insights. Use YouTube Analytics. Study your audience retention, watch time, CTR, and engagement rates in YouTube Analytics. Identify which videos performed well and why, then replicate those successful elements in future videos. Always get information about your traffic sources. Look into where your traffic is coming from. If your videos are getting recommended after watching similar content, this is a positive sign. If not, adjust your titles, descriptions, and tags to align more with what's trending in your niche. Another important point to getting recommended is leverage trending topics and news. Capitalize on trends. If your niche is related to a trending topic, create content around it. YouTube often recommends videos that are timely and relevant to current events. To do that, you can use Google Trends. Check Google Trends to find out what people are searching for, and tailor your video topics accordingly. This helps your video be more relevant in search and recommendations. Collaborate with other YouTubers is also key. That is cross-promotion. Collaborating with other creators allows you to tap into their audience. This can lead to more views, subscribers, and a higher likelihood of recommendations, as viewers from another channel are likely to be interested in your content too. You can appear as a guest on other YouTubers' channels and promote each other's content to grow your reach. The next point is important. Maintain channel and niche consistency. Focus on your niche. If you consistently produce content in a specific niche, YouTube's algorithm will have an easier time understanding your audience and recommending your videos to them. Avoid straying too far from your main topics, as this can confuse both the algorithm and your viewers. Channel branding is very imperative. Ensure your branding, logo, banner, about section reflects your niche and clearly communicates the type of content you produce. Consistent branding builds familiarity with your audience and encourages repeat viewers. Next is to increase viewer session time. Keep viewers on YouTube. YouTube rewards channels that keep viewers on the platform longer. Encourage your audience to watch more videos on your channel by using end screens and video cards to suggest related content. Promote playlists. Curate your videos into playlists based on similar themes. This encourages binge watching, thereby increasing session time and boosting your chances of YouTube recommending your content. Stay within YouTube's guidelines. Avoid clickbait. Clickbait titles and misleading thumbnails might initially attract views, but they harm audience retention and can lead to fewer recommendations over time. Follow community guidelines. Videos that violate YouTube's community guidelines will not be recommended. Ensure your content is appropriate and avoids controversial subjects that might lead to demonetization. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can improve your chances of having YouTube recommend your videos, leading to higher views and more engagement over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future tips and insights. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Also, feel free to share this video with friends or anyone who could benefit from it. And if you want to support the channel even more, consider joining as a member for exclusive perks and content. Thanks for watching and for being part of the community. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.